What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I feel like since we finally here in New England got our first snow, I just want to do like a neutral icy look for you guys, and I'm living for it. Like, you know, nothing too crazy, but something a little extra. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you hear from my next video. But anyway, let's get into it. So I've already done my brows. If you need to know how I do my eyebrows, you can definitely go check out my everyday makeup video. After that, I just went ahead in with a little bit more concealer just to use that to base my eyelids. For our eyes, we're going to start off with a dark brown shadow and we're just going to pack the dark brown shadow into the outer eye in a half C shape. Next, we're going to take a blending brush and dip into a lighter brown shadow and just buff out the darker one. So you can see the difference here. This side is blended and this side is not. And it already looks really good. I'm going to use the same blending brush and dip into another lighter brown. So just one tone lighter just to blend out that last shade we used. Next, I'm just dipping into some really dark black eyeshadow just to darken this outer corner here. And we'll just go in with our blending brush and blend that into our other colors here. Next, we're going to go ahead and cut our crease with a white base. I like to do this with my eye open so I can see exactly where I'm going. Next, we're going to take our blending brush with our dark eyeshadow on it and buff out these ends. Next, we're going to take a white eyeshadow right over the lid. This white eyeshadow is super shimmery, so, you know, extra. Next, I'm going to take a black eyeliner and just go over the waterline. Okay, so I do want to go right over the black liner with a white liner. However, this eyeliner does cracks. If your eyeliner cracks, do lash glue first and then do the liner over it and it won't crack. So that's what we're going to do for the white right over the black. Just gonna prime. Okay, next I'm gonna apply foundation, and I saw this trick on TikTok. I know it's gonna sound crazy, but this girl literally uses her hands to spread out her foundation. And I know it sounds kind of crazy, but her foundation routine is flawless. So obviously she doesn't just use her fingers, a beauty blender. And this is literally just to do the little nicks and crannies around your eyes, around your eyebrows, you know, things of that nature. So we're gonna go in with a light concealer. With a brush. Next, I'm just going to follow that concealer with a pressed powder. gonna follow up with some bronzer. After bronzing, we're gonna go in with some blush. And also, next we're gonna do some highlighter. Right on the high points. Okay, next I'm gonna finish this off with some setting spray. I'm gonna use a dark brown eyeshadow to line my lips. Next, I'm gonna follow this look with a butter gloss in a pinky shade. Okay, now that I've done my gloss, I'm just going to get on out of here and put on my lashes and fix up my wig, and I'll be back to show you the final result. And that is it. Guys, honestly, this wig didn't come out as white as I wanted it to, but I am just in love with this look. I think I look great. Yeah. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Make sure you hit the bell so that you're here for the next one. Much love to y'all. See you next time.